Hair square triangles can be a lot, but they make some of the best quilts. Those diagonals set you up for your stars and other looks that can really just make a quilt pop. So it's always easy to find a good and quick way to get half square triangles done. The more you can make, the better. Here I make 4 at a time. So using 2 squares that are 9 inches, and they could be any size. The bigger the square, the bigger the half square triangle. The smaller the square, the smaller the half square triangle. You take those 2 pieces of fabric and you're going to place them right sides together and then sew all the way around. We're not leaving any openings for this. We're going to stitch a 1/4 inch all the way around all the edges. I just run off the edges. I don't bother to pivot and stop. I'm just going to just run all the way off a 1/4 inch all the way around all 4 sides. Once I'm finished, I'm now going to cut these 2 squares. So you can see how those 1/4 inches look. I will lay it flat. If it needs a good press, a great thing to use is some spray starch because you're going to be cutting on the bias and there will stretch a little bit for you, and so that will help that process. Using my ruler, I will go corner to corner and just slice. And then turn that ruler in the other direction, and then I'm just going to slice. And before you come for me, yes, we could cut this differently and get more half square triangles, but I'm working with 4 today. So this is 4 half square triangles from just 2 cuts. Once everything is cut, now I can open it up and voila! Here are my half square triangles. So now I have 4 of these. I can take them to my ironing board and press them open. I like to press to the dark side, but I have 4 of them. I'll give them a good starch just so that they don't stretch and get on with my next project.